So on my first month of being monetized on YouTube, I made exactly... Alright guys, welcome to this video. My name is Vincent, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how much money my small 2,000 subscriber channel makes, and how much I got paid in not only my first month of being monetized on YouTube, but actually I'm gonna show you my first 3 months of being monetized on YouTube. Now, on this channel, I talk about things like entrepreneurship, building a social media agency, and also YouTube. So hope you guys are gonna enjoy this content, and let's get straight into it. So I'm not gonna have you wait for like 5 minutes before I show you my numbers. I'm gonna get straight into it, but I think you should also stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to also cover what it takes to get monetized on YouTube, the process of getting monetized, the process of getting paid, and also how much you are going to make and how you can make a lot more money on YouTube. So anyways, let's get straight into my numbers. So June was my first month of being monetized on YouTube. It took me around 1 year to get monetized on this channel. I wasn't uploading super consistently because YouTube is a hobby of mine. It's not the full-time thing that I do. I actually run an agency which occupies most of my time. But first month of being monetized on YouTube in June, I made $50.51. And my second month of being monetized on YouTube in July, I made exactly $45.48, which is, pretty consistent. It's around that $50 mark. And this month in August, it's currently the 21st of August. So far, I made $34.90. So in total, over around 80 days, I made exactly $130.89. So the way YouTube money works is you can actually only withdraw your money after you have $100 available in your AdSense account, because you don't get paid directly from YouTube, because Google owns YouTube, and you need to sign up for Google AdSense and then connect your account to your YouTube account, and then you are going to get paid through that. So you can withdraw your money once you have hit $100 balance in your Google AdSense account. And you actually don't get paid the same month you make the money. The way it works is you get paid the month after you actually made the money. So for example, if you made $100 in ad revenue on your channel in January, then you are not going to get paid at the end of January. You're actually going to get paid between the 21st and the 26th of February, and all that money that you collected from 1st of January to like 31st of January or whatever it is, you're going to get paid that amount in February and around the end of February. So that's how it works. So how can you also make money with YouTube? Because that's probably why you are here. So the requirements for getting monetized on YouTube in 2020 are currently having 1,000 subscribers, having 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months, and also having an AdSense account connected, to your YouTube channel, which is the easiest step out of these. For me, the hardest one was getting 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. That took me quite a while. You need to be consistent with uploading if you want to hit that fast. But still, it's a really, really good feeling once you hit that mark, because it's quite a big achievement. So here's kind of like how the process of getting monetized works. So you first need to reach 1,000 subscribers, like I said, and 4,000 hours of watch time. You can also sign up on a page to get notified once you hit that mark. And then you can start the review process. So you need to create an AdSense account, connect it to it, and then YouTube is kind of going to review your channel, take a look at your videos, and see whether you are liable for monetization or not. Now that process can take anywhere from just a couple of days to, I heard, even some people it took months. For me, it was around like 1 day. It approved me super quickly because I make videos in kind of like the business niche, and you can get pretty easily monetized there, but it could take you a longer time as well. Then the next thing that happens is you wait until the middle of the next month, and then you need to enter your bank details and get a confirmation amount sent, which is kind of like under $1. So basically you connect your bank account to your AdSense account. They are going to send you like under $1, and you also are going to receive a PIN letter to actually confirm your billing account address and account, and this is going to be sent to you in the mail. So you get like a small letter. You will get like a PIN number on that you need to actually put into your AdSense account. And then once you are monetized, then you need to enable monetization on your videos, and then you can start earning some ad revenue. And after that, you will get paid between the 21st and the 26th of the next month after you made the money in 1 month. So you might be wondering like, hey, well, this sounds pretty interesting, but how much money am I actually going to make per 1,000 views? The thing is, you cannot really answer that. Your CPM, which is cost per mille, which basically means like how much money advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 ad impressions on your channel or ad views, that's going to drastically be different on different videos. So let me show you a couple examples on my channel and just show you like how the CPM, how much money you're making per 1,000 views can actually change between different video topics. So for example, I have this video here that I made about an alarm clock app. So that kind of falls into like the tech video category. And in the last 90 days, which is kind of like when I got monetized, it got 10,822 views. So, that's quite a lot of views. And it only gained $20.14, which is, it's not bad, but it basically means it had a playback based CPM on average of $4.72. And I actually made the RPM means like how much money you actually earned per 1,000 views on the video, because some people use ad blocker, some people have YouTube Premium, which plays differently, so there are a lot of different factors, and not every time someone clicks on your video they actually see an ad. So the average RPM, which is like how much money you actually earn per 1,000 views, that's only $1.86, and yeah, you can see that's not a super high number. But if we compare this to one of my other videos, which is about how to start a social media marketing agency, which is more so in the business niche, you can see that this video only got 1,145 views, which is, you can see it's like 1/10 of the views the other one got, and it made almost the same amount of money. It made only $1 less than the other. And you can see if we go into the revenue section of this one, the playback based CPM is actually $35.11 on average. So if we compare that to the other one, which was under $5, you can see a drastical difference between these two. It's like over 6 times more. And the RPM, which is how much we actually earn per 1,000 views, is still $16.32, which is pretty crazy, because you can see that here we made under $2 per 1,000 views, and here we made over $16 per 1,000 views. So that's a game changer. That's 8 times more. Now let me go and show you like how much each of my videos made me and the CPM on those. So you can see on this chart, like in the last around 3 months, this is how much each of my videos made me. Right now it's showing us the CPM on here, but you can also see the video that made me the most amount of money was this one on how to run Instagram ads. And for example, this one had a CPM of $16.08 and an RPM of only $4. So it's not super high, but because this one got a lot more views, that's why it made more money. It got like 7,000-ish monetized views, because the other videos were actually posted way before I got monetized, so that's why they have a lot more views, but not all of those views were monetized views. But you can see here, if we take a look at a couple more of these videos, for example, the alarm clock app had a CPM of only $4, which is pretty bad. Then I made another tech review that was around $10 CPM. Then if we check out some of these entrepreneurial videos, those were around like $30 to $50 CPMs. Then how to make money online, another like $10 CPM, which isn't that good actually for that topic. My clean and minimalist iPhone setup, that had a $4.64 CPM. So you can see the CPM changes across the board. Now I'm also going to share with you my channel average CPM and average RPM. You can see that in the last 90 days I got a total of 38,200 views. And I only uploaded 5 videos, which is not a lot. And so yeah, you can see I wasn't uploading too much videos, and most of the income, like over 90% of this income, were actually coming from videos that I uploaded like 6 months ago or a year ago. So that's why I am actually really like intrigued by this, because like although it's not a lot of money by most people's standards, it's actually a pretty passive stream of income. So if you go into my actual revenue section, you can see that on average I'm making around $2 per day. You know, $1.5 to $2. It fluctuates quite a lot. Some days are higher, like $3.5. Some days are lower, like 88 cents. But I would say if we average it out, it's around $1.5 to $2 per day, which, you know, is pretty good considering that I'm not even uploading like most of the days, and it's still making me some money. My RPM is $3.43, and you can also see my CPM here. It's currently $12.55, which is decent. It could be higher. It's gonna go up in the future, I think, as I make more entrepreneurial and this kind of content, and not any of the tech review stuff and filmmaking stuff. A couple tips to increase your CPM are, the first one is to choose a topic that advertisers are willing to pay a lot more money for. Second one would be to make your videos at least 8 minutes long, so you can put mid-roll ads into the videos. It used to be 10 minutes, like the threshold, after which you can put mid-roll ads into a video, but now it's only 8 minutes, so you can make your videos 8 minutes long. And you know, YouTube actually likes videos that are monetized more than videos that aren't monetized, because YouTube only makes money if you make money. So that's why turning on monetization for a video can actually help your video rank better in SEO as well and get suggested more. Another quick tip is to aim to get as high of a retention rate as you possibly can, so people actually stick until they can see the ads and not just leave in the first 30 seconds. So this is how much money YouTube paid me for my first YouTube paycheck, and how much I got paid in the first 3 months of being monetized with a small channel with only 2,000 subscribers. There are a lot of other ways you can make money on YouTube which are a lot more lucrative. So one of them is, for example, selling information products, so like selling ebooks, selling courses, selling templates and presets and anything like that. You can also make money with things like sponsorships and also affiliate marketing. So when you're selling someone else's product, and anytime someone buys the certain product that you're promoting through your personal customized link, you make a commission from that. So like, these are just a couple ways that you can make money from YouTube other than just ad revenue, and these are a lot more lucrative in my opinion. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like on it, and please consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. On this channel I talk about entrepreneurship, building an agency, and also YouTube tricks and tips. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye.